Subbu. Why are you wearing so many bands on your hand? Happy birthday, Subbu. Thank you for my set. That Rishi Mimi bought me. Hello. Rishi Mimi bought me that, so Subbu also gave it.
Happy 30th birthday, Subbu, from your favorite city and your favorite room with your favorite t-shirt. In terms of my favorite gyan of all time of yours is how to have a shower in this bathroom. But hope you have a great birthday and hope I learn to be everyone's favorite Amol just like you. See you soon.
Hi Subbu, happy birthday. Hope you have a great year ahead. I'm sure Rishka will make it a good one. So anyway, thank you for all the great advice you've given us so far and you continue to do so. But I think the best advice, I'm not joking about this, I always called you my mentor in Bath. So being like, kind of my mentor in Bath, the best advice you've given me was not to take the finance module. Anyway, have a great day and continue to spread the wise words and all your fun stuff. Bye bye.
Sabu Macha, how are you, mate? Happy birthday, year older, year wiser. So I got a message from Rishka asking for some advice that you'd given. Luckily, she didn't ask for useful advice, so I managed to think of a few examples. One was, I remember, first time I went out to India. Beforehand, you said to me, Doug, we're going to travel in the North India, but don't worry, I don't speak Hindi, but I can read Hindi. And I remember when we were looking around a fort in Delhi, or a garden, and there's some Hindi written down. I said, Sabu, what does it say? You read it out in Hindi. I said, great, what does it mean? You go, I don't know, I can only read Hindi.
Happy birthday, Mr. Subbu. First thing I want to thank you for is teaching me how to grow an afro. Apparently it doesn't take much, you were right. And second is, if a Schengen visa is not for 5 years and you don't get it within 24 hours, then it's not really a Schengen visa. So thank you for that.
Suba, happy birthday, buddy. Best or should I say worst piece of advice you've ever given me, or the gyan that you always give. There are too many things on the list, but what I'll go with is something you told me in Hong Kong. So it goes something like this. Macha, Veera, when elders are around, why do you even offer to pay? It's a very bad habit. Don't pay the bill, da. Save some money. Just let them pay. Easy.
Hey Madhya, stop laxing. Wake up, let's wish Suba it's his birthday.
Suba!
YOLO!
YOLO! Happy birthday, Suba!
Cheers, Suba! Happy birthday! Woo! Hubs, you wish Suba?
Hubs, wish Suba! Hubs, see you then.
Saying something positive about lags is going to be a bit hard, so I'm not even going to try. But he gives us a lot of gyan, all the time, from how white he's become and how he's so funny. She's really not. But the only good thing is he's a lot of entertainment for my daughters, which is great, and they keep asking for him all the time, and I bribe them sometimes actually by using his name. I say, if you eat your food, you can see this stupid video of lags, and they actually do it. Anyway, thanks for everything, all the laughters, having great times, and looking forward to a lot more fun times ahead. Happy birthday, lags. See ya.
Hey, happy birthday, buddy. What I've learned from you is how to be humbly pompous. How you're the pioneer of everything, how you're the one who pretty much created everything which we see around, and you're yet so humble about it. Thank you very much. You have a brilliant day and a wonderful year ahead. And happy 30s.
Many happy returns of the day, Mr. Wenki. Hope you're having lots of fun, buddy. and hopefully you're no longer a miser, but if you are, I've got your gift waiting, the belt and the shoe, of course. So whenever you're here, it's waiting for you. Have fun. Cheers.
Hey Subbu, wish you a very happy birthday as you turn 30. May Lord give you a lot of blessings. I rehearsed this speech in about 2 minutes, but I lost it. It's been fun knowing you all these years, and welcome on the other side of 30. Life ain't so bad. Bless you both, Rishika and you, and have a great one.
So this one time, we were cycling in Kottuppuram when we were kids, and Subbu was showing off with his cycle, like all these tricks he could do and stuff. So I was trying to do the same thing, and then he was like, and I was failing, and he's like, no, you can't do it. And I was like, why? And he's like, it's because you have a girl's bike, and girls' bikes are made of different metal, so it's not possible. And I tried it and I couldn't do any of these tricks, and so I believed him, and I went and told all my friends in school that girls' bikes are made of different metal. So thank you, Subbu, for giving me such valuable knowledge. But I'm not going to make too much fun of you, because off late you've given me some pretty decent advice. Or maybe I'm just being nice to you because it's your birthday. Either way, happy birthday. Hope you have a nice day. And please continue to share your gyan with the world, because it would be so boring without it.
So, a piece of advice that Subbu gave me. It's kind of hard to pick just one, because Subbu's always dishing advice. But when we were kids, we'd go over to watch movies a lot, and I hated when they pick scary movies, because just, I didn't like them. And Subbu's advice at that time was, Alagu, I don't get why you're scared of scary movies. Just watch them on mute. They're practically comedies. And surprisingly enough, even to this day, I mute shows and movies if they get too intense and I'm watching them alone. So thanks, Subbu, for the advice. Happy birthday. I hope you continue to give everybody completely useless but useful advice for the rest of your life. Have a good one, man.
Hey dude, Royal Enfield or Ducati Scrambler? I know you love Ducati. By default you work with Ari, but okay, that's besides the point. Where is my trial bike, dude? It's almost on my 40th. You told me there's a trial bike going to come to my house. You have turned 30 and maybe you might turn 60. Am I getting a bike? Any which ways. Besides the point. Happy 30th to you, bro.
Happy 30th, Subbu. Have fun. Happy birthday, Subbu. Cheers.
Happy birthday, Subbu, Mama. Cheers.
So one piece of advice that Subbu has always given me is that to always do exactly what I really feel like. If I truly feel that it is the right thing to do, he's always there to support me, and that's what he keeps telling me always. So happy big 3-0 Subbu, and can't wait to celebrate it with you.
My dear Subbu, the man with all the answers in life. One piece of advice you've given, it's one too less to talk about. He's been advising me forever about every single thing that I can imagine. Although he has this knack of complimenting the other people on his advices. One great advice that he's given himself was right outside Snake Park, but he compliments me for it. That's the great man that he is. I'm proud to have you as a friend, and keep them coming. I hope to succeed only with you by my side, and I only can succeed with you by my side. Happy birthday, legend.
Happy birthday, Subbu. Hope you're having a great day, and the surprise has planned as we expected, and we're watching this video right now with you. Hope you have a great year ahead. The one piece of advice that Subbu has given me, honestly, he has given me so much advice in so many years that I have known him, there's not like one piece of advice that actually stands up. Every time I meet him, I get like one piece of advice. So thank you for all the advice that you have given, and keep it coming. Happy birthday.
Hi Subbu, happy birthday, Congo man. What advice you gave me, da? You all always say no, Royal Enfield is the best. You have to drive that. There's Yamaha, there's TVS, and there's Java. Say, Royal Enfield is best. I know that I'm blabbering also. So anyway, be happy to always. Your 30th birthday, enjoy, party hard, enjoy the life, and I don't know, so jolly, happy. Anyway, happy birthday, Congo. Alright, Subbu Venki. Cheers, buddy.
Wish you a very, very, very happy birthday, Subbu. The gyan which you've given me over the years essentially been to live and let live, and I shall do exactly that. To celebrate your birthday this year, I'm going to find the cheapest bottle of alcohol and I'm going to finish it. Hope to see you soon, and Delhi misses you. Take care.
Happy birthday, Michelangelo. Hope you're having a good day. Eat a lot of murukku and Blender's Pride, and don't forget to sleep on your bed. Peace.
Okay, so when Rishika asked me to shoot this video, I thought about it for 2 days, but finally I just realized every time Subbu has ever given me an advice, either he was too drunk or I was too drunk. So I don't know if Baba's any advice has really stayed with me beyond the next day. But one thing is for sure, bro, and I know deep down that if ever I'm in any shit, I know you are there. Happy birthday, Subbu.
Hey Baba Subbu, you told me to take it easy and your hair will grow. See what happened? Whoa! Happy birthday, dude! Happy birthday! Now you take it easy.
Subbu, happy birthday! I don't think there's been loads of advice that you've given me throughout the years. I'd like to say we are very good friends, even though you didn't know my course that I was doing for the 4 years I was with you, and you did often tell me that I was looking kind of big. Thanks! No, you've been a really good friend. You've really helped me out in a lot of situations. Absolutely loved it when I came and stayed with you in India. Always lots of special memories. So happy birthday!
Hey lags, happy birthday. I don't think there's any particular piece of advice that you've given me, but just generally as a friend, you've always been there to help me out through times, stood by my side, whether I was right or wrong, to be honest. But one thing about you is you've always called a spade, and I think that's one of your greatest qualities. You just are who you are, and we love you for that. Wish you the best and have the best day ever. Love you, bro.
When it comes to Gyan, Subbu has a wide spectrum of topics where he can give Gyan on, and sports being one of the most famous ones, which we talk about quite often. And he keeps bringing up all his medals and honors he's won as a national horse rider, and he makes us think that he's excelled in all sports, but sadly that's not the truth. But what I can say as the truth is he's an amazing person and a great friend, and I wish you nothing but happiness and success.
Happy birthday, Subs! Thanks for always being the entertainment in our lives. Can talk to you about anything, mindless stuff as well as the important things like work. Yeah, and you're always the entertainment for the kids as well, the monkey uncle, the party as well. Yeah, and hopefully we can run soon, but won't be able to talk to you though. No, the headphones. Happy birthday, take care, bye.
So this really was not an advice or a gyan by Subbu, but it definitely did help me. In 2014, when both of us moved to Gurgaon, we were looking out for a place and we are hardly making any money. And then one thing which Subbu told me is, Buddy, like, macha, like, don't think about the money, and it's just about how happy we should be after we finish work and come back. And after that, I should say, yeah, I mean, I had the best time of my life. Like, all of Friday evenings drinking and stuff was crazy. Thank you, Subbu. Thank you so much for supporting me during that phase and definitely paying more rent. And yeah, those were great days. And welcome to the 30s Club. Happy birthday. And yeah, can't wait to party with you. And woo!
Happy birthday, Subbu. So the one piece of advice you've ever given me is to never take your advice, and I'm always going to follow that. Hope you have an amazing day and an amazing year, man. Take care. See you soon.
Okay, Subbu's Gyan. You know, with Subbu's Gyan, you almost always want to do something that's just the opposite. But one frequent and most irritating Gyan that I keep hearing from Subbu is to use my time wisely. But wait, how does he propose I use my time wisely? By swiping on Tinder. But Subbu, as you turn 30, I'm going to take a vow to pick and choose some of your serious Gyan and try and follow it. Wish you a very happy birthday, Macha. I hope you have a wonderful year ahead. Stay the way you are, and don't forget our Talevar Vadivel to keep you happy.
Happy birthday, bro. I'm trying to pick up on your compassion for dogs.
And I'm trying to keep them away from him based on the advice you gave me.
Anyway, have a great 30th. Can't wait to celebrate with you soon.
Happy birthday from Panda, Lucky and Gigi.
Happy 30th Booster, miss you man. What have you taught me? To be honest mate, not a hell of a lot as you mostly chat, a lot of rubbish. Actually that's probably what you have taught me is how to blag and bullshit and way through situations in life with your complete nonsense talk, which is sometimes kind of funny. Have a good one dude, see you soon.
The latest piece of advice that Subbu gave me was to always listen to the sober person in the room. Otherwise, you're going to end up walking home at 6 a.m. In the rain with a punctured cycle. So yeah, it's really great, profound advice coming from real life experience. Except he was telling the sober person who he didn't listen to. Happy birthday, Subbu.
Hi Subbu, I don't have any Subbuisms to contribute, but I just want to say, with a dash of crazy and a whole lot of cool, you're a perfect addition to our family. Have a superb 30th birthday.
Hey Rao, I told you not to do this, no. Hey Rao, I told you not to do that, no. You listen to me, it'll all be fine. Basically, Subbu thinks he's full of gyan, but actually he's just full of shit. But I still love you, Subbu. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Subs! You've come a very long way from the first time we tipped you in the dumpster. Welcome to the 30s. Have a super one. Happy birthday. Love
Have
you
an
lots.
amazing day. Lots of love.
Happy birthday, Subbu!
Happy birthday, Subbu. I don't remember too many things that you say because you talk so much. I take it out from one ear and I take it in from one ear and take it out the other. But you are the most fun person I know, and I always look forward to hanging out with you. You are where the party is at, and you make sure everybody is included and everybody is happy around you. And for that, I really love you. Have very happy birthday to you.
Subbu, there are two things I love about you. One is it's impossible to be in a bad mood when you're around. You just lighten up everything and you make everybody feel really wonderful and included all the time. And the second thing is that you have the kindest heart. It's so nice to have you around and look after everybody and make sure that everyone's having a nice time. Even when I've had friends from Pune in town, you've always been so considerate about making them feel welcome in Chennai. So we love you very much and have a wonderful birthday and see you soon.
See you. Mira is very lucky to have an uncle like you.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.
Macha Subbu, happy birthday, bro. See there, I've framed the jersey, waiting to take it out for the next Cricket World Cup when we go together. Macha, you've been giving me advice since 2010, first day of college. I don't know how I survived taking that advice. But happy birthday, bro. Happy 30th. Look forward to partying with you soon.
Hi Subbu, I wish you a very happy birthday and many more to come. I've been told to share some gyan what you had given me, and for the betterment of mankind, I don't want to share any gyan what you have given me. And once again, happy birthday and stay safe and have a great time. Bye.
Happy birthday, Subha.
Happy birthday, Subbu.
So, the best piece of advice you ever gave me was pretty much always around alcohol. And the advice always is make it large.
Well, for me, it would be make it loud.
Happy birthday, Dad. Have a great year ahead. And welcome to the 30s. You turned 30 today? You did?
Yeah, you turned 30.
Subbu, happy birthday, Macha. Big 30th birthday right in the middle of COVID-19. So, one piece of advice that stands out during our time in Delhi was what you told me on deciding which party to go to if you're invited for multiple. So, your agenda was very clear. Your decision to go to a particular party was always based on the type and quality of liquor involved. Rishika, this was before he met you. Sorry, after he met you. Before he met you, his criteria was a little different. After he met you, it was always the alcohol, which is why on Sundays you would often find him loitering around South African consulates and South African consulate generals' houses because of the food and alcohol he got there. So yeah, Subbu, you live the good life wherever possible. If you can live it at another person's expense, you've ensured that that's the advice you've given us. Happy birthday and hopefully see you soon.
Hey Subbu, happy birthday, have a great year ahead and welcome to the 30s. The one and only Gyan that I always remember you telling me is to be ready to party anytime. Cheers.
Hey Subbu, happy birthday, bro. I wish we guys could have, raised a beer, but unfortunately how situation is. So it's a happy birthday from a distance. So wishing you a very, very happy birthday. Now Rishika has requested us to kind of think of that one thing that's like the mountain of Gyan that we've sort of got from Subbu. But unfortunately, we guys have been on the receiving end. We are not the giver of Gyans, but we are always been the getter of Gyans, and across the world, across the globe, across continents, and across nationalities and all of that. So we just keep getting and we just keep our trap shut and just listen. So I think the biggest Gyan that's come from Subbu is to keep shut and sort of be aware of the fact that the world is much more wiser. So just listen, because the current environment, at least the current environment that we guys work in, is full of very wise people. So we are just average. So it's just shut up and listen. That's the Gyan, and that's Gyan for life. So yeah, and any which way, bro, wishing you a very, very happy birthday. It's unfortunate that we all could not be together. Raise a beer, raise a toast, drink some beers, all of us together. But yeah.
Happy birthday, Subba Reddy.